Hi, welcome to my video series where I will be reviewing some of the world's leading marketing experts and how they can help you grow your business. Today I'll be reviewing Ryan Deiss. I'll cover everything you need to know to decide if their products and training courses are worth buying and a good fit for what you need. In a moment I'll dive into Ryan's products and prices, but first let me explain why I've included Ryan in this series. If you have been looking at digital marketing to grow your business, then you've most likely heard of Ryan Deiss. Ryan is a best-selling author, founder of multiple companies collectively employing hundreds around the globe, and one of the most dynamic speakers on marketing in the world today. He launched his first web-based business from his college room in 1999, and since that time he's founded over 40 different businesses in markets such as health and beauty, survival, DIY crafts and home improvement, investing and finance, chemical and liquid filter manufacturing, business lending, online skills training and menswear, just to name a few. Ryan is the founder and CEO of digitalmarketer.com and founder and managing partner of rivalbrands.com and platter.com. As I mentioned, he is the author of 2 best-selling marketing books. The Invisible Selling Machine details Ryan's blueprint for sales funnels, automation and email marketing. Ryan is also the co-author of the book, Digital Marketing for Dummies. Like the rest of the 4 Dummies series, it's a digital marketing crash course, designed to explain digital marketing's fundamental principles to those who are new in the industry. Ryan is the creator of the customer value optimization methodology, and has introduced and popularized many of the digital selling strategies that modern companies now take for granted. Ryan is also the founder and host of the Traffic and Conversion Summit, the largest digital marketing conversion conference in North America. So, he knows a thing or two about marketing and selling online. Deiss is the genius behind Digital Marketer, one of the most popular marketing websites in the world today. Digital Marketer offers premium courses and software including free digital marketing guides and tutorials. Playbooks and courses cost anywhere between $20 and $500. Digital Marketer also offers on-demand workshops geared towards digital marketing practitioners. These carefully designed workshops examine a variety of techniques and methods that have been effective for other marketing professionals, where you can get helpful tips as you go along the training. You can choose from 27 on-demand workshops, starting at $295. They also offer digital marketer certifications and courses. Deiss eventually opened his courses to the public, though they were initially for the internal staff. The Digital Marketer courses explore a broad range of marketing subjects, including content marketing, search marketing, email marketing, copywriting, digital marketing, SEO, social media and e-commerce. You can choose from a total of 12 accredited training courses. Prices start at $495. Digital Marketer offers comprehensive checklists, otherwise known as playbooks, whether you're creating new campaigns or maximizing your sales copy. Ryan's playbooks are a cross between step-by-step guides and checklists. On their website, you will find 36 playbooks which cost $27 each. Digital Marketer also offers a membership program called Digital Marketer Lab, which gives you access to all of the workshops, courses and playbooks for a set monthly fee. If you want to improve your marketing skills, Digital Marketer Lab is a great place to start. You'll get a variety of marketing tools, including swipe files and training templates. You also get access to courses and certifications, workshops, playbooks and access to a private Facebook group. Digital Marketer Lab Plus costs $95 a month. You can use the link in the description below this video to access a 14-day free trial. Are Ryan Deiss and Digital Marketer worth it? It's a resounding big yes. The free resources alone are incredible. I've been a member of Digital Marketer Lab for a number of years and consider it an invaluable resource. If you're a beginner looking for a place to start, or an experienced marketer looking to level up your skills, Digital Marketer Lab comes with everything today's marketer needs, including up-to-date courses, proven step-by-step playbooks, and a community of over 10,000 peers. Ryan Deiss is a hands-on marketer who understands the fast-paced nature of the marketing industry. Ranking on Google was once an easy thing, and paid ads were less expensive than a cup of coffee. But that's all changed in today. More than ever, we all need access to a marketing expert like Ryan Deiss. I recommend you test out Ryan's products using the 14-day free trial link below this video. Okay, thanks for watching. That's all I have time for in this video. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video and if you have any feedback on Ryan Deiss and his products. If you like this channel, then please subscribe, hit the like button and click on the bell to be notified of further videos in this series. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.